Thank you for joining us for another Raschig USA media production. In this video, we'll be talking about how fouled packing within your mass transfer system can result in a loss of efficiency and capacity, and how to go about preventing this. A common issue with certain mass transfer systems, such as scrubbers or strippers, is mineral buildup within a packed bed due to the liquid that is sprayed over it. This is similar to the mineral buildup you can see on objects that are exposed to flowing water over a long time frame. While not an immediate issue, over time this buildup, also called fouling, can start to cause issues within your system. Fouling on your packing can cause blockage in your column and lead to increased pressure drops and eventually even flooding within your system. It can also lead to reduced mass transfer efficiency. These factors together will eventually lead to increased operational costs for your mass transfer system. We recommend periodic checks on your packing to make sure it isn't overly fouled, as well as monitoring pressure drop through your column, as increased pressure drop is a potential lagging indicator of excessive fouling. Should your packing start to show signs of fouling, including gradually increasing pressure drop, you can have some success in cleaning it by pressure washing the packing or cleaning it with a suitable solution to help remove some of the buildup. However, over time, all packing will start breaking down and will eventually need to be replaced. Should you need to replace your packing, Raschig USA offers a wide range of products to suit your operational needs. Additionally, if you notice that your system frequently needs packing cleaning or replacement, contact Raschig USA to see if there is another product that could be a better fit for your system. You can reach us directly at info@raschig-usa.com or at 817-695-5680. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to hear from you soon.